Alright, so this is our third episode of Duckling, probably our last one as well. Duckling's life, running in nature, we'll say. And it's so to see how he reacts again, but in our garden. So let's see what happens. Alright, following? Alright. Camera still following? So again, don't worry, he's in good condition, you look well after him. So I'm just going to put him on the ground. Let's see what he does. Oh, had a little flap. He's coming back towards me. Nice and happy. It's quite good. So, if you can't hear me very well, just turn the sound up a bit more, because I'm a bit far from the camera. And, well, he seems to be quite comfortable. Being a bit in the shade. Now let's see what he does if I just put him on me. I cover his eyes so that he doesn't gets too scared. He looks quite happy. Put him back on grass. He's going in the shade. I understand him. It's quite hot up here. That's nice. So, I think this will be the end of this video, and I hope you like it. Also, put a green thumb again, and we'll probably see ourselves for other videos. Bye! Bye! Bye bye!